What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Nissan Rogue started if your smart key dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your smart key, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Rogue started. So we're going to be doing it on a 2020 Nissan Rogue here, but it will be the same on several different years. And this is only going to apply to Rogues that have a push-button start ignition. I've taken the battery out of this key fob here to demonstrate. As you can see, the buttons aren't working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying, warning, key ID incorrect. So what we need to do is take our smart key and using the top of it, we're going to use that to push the stop start button. So we'll press the brake as we normally would, then we're going to use this to push the stop start button. That's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.